Right now, I'm in Blazor web app with Azure AD B2C authentication, Active Directory B2C register customer authentication with social login. Right now, you can see the URLs and all. It's been configured in my other videos or in the previous videos. I had explained how to configure all those stuffs. Now the login is happened. Other things, before going to other things, let's test the logout. So I'm just doing the logout. You can see it is going on, keep going on loop. I hope you can notice here. The reason is you can please understand the URL. My URL is something like localhost. And from that, it has been moved to this test URL, NAMEDHU kind of blah blah blah, all those things. It is keep looping here itself. The reason for this is it is very simple. Once after the login or logout or whatever happened, I mean logout happened, where it should go, that is what it is not clear of it. Just jump back to the application main layout. The what is the URL? Microsoft Identity account and sign out. Okay, Microsoft Identity account and sign in. Usually the option is like adding slash here, all those corrections. It won't fix anything. But before that, before fixing the solution, I want to show you one more thing. This happens for two reasons. One is enforce single sign-on logout validation. Require ID token in logout request. If these two are enabled, then at the time of logout request, you need to pass the token. Okay, for that passing the token, let me so logout, you need to pass the token. Okay, for that solution, somebody has mentioned one of the solution. I'll just show you that. I'm just opening it in the GitHub, sorry, Stack Overflow. Here, the option is like you have to add instead of the default logout, Microsoft Identity default logout, you add another logout with something called sign out async, and within this ID token, you access it from the context and then send it over the request. That is one option. Okay, this is not necessary unless you configured this. Okay, now the issue for in current case, what I'm showing keep looping. The issue solution is here. Add controller with views, all those things that happen. Next to this, it has to come back to the razor page. Means this is a Blazor is a razor page that you need to address. In the sense, I'm just adding it another new quotes ends. Dot services. Come on, one sec. Services dot add a razor. One sec. Razor pages. That's it. It means you are just informing the system for the configuring services. Just this is necessary for additional things. Okay, let me show you back. The same app is loading. Earlier it was logged out actually. Okay, earlier it was logged out, but it was not aware where it should go next. That was where it is missing. Now it came to the login. Earlier also this was happening fine. Login was happening means from your application to here to back it was happening properly. Logout was the issue. So now let's click on the logout. It made very short. It just moved back to the application. Okay. The solution is simple. Add this line. Add razor pages. Okay. Now coming back to the this particular thread here, somebody was mentioning about this particular one also. Here like add razor pages. This is yes, definitely. I also got help from this only clue when I was started doing this. I mean, this is a 2023 video. I mean, notes and use endpoints. This is not necessary unless I think you have configured your application with these kind of stuffs not configured, map controllers or map razor components. These are not configured, then it is required. Okay, so this is not for Blazor. I'm talking. So whenever you are searching for some stuff, you have to search independent of that particular. If you search with only with Blazor, you may not get the solutions. That is the reason I'm just making these videos and all. Okay, totally the issue is this infinite loop issue. To address that, this is the necessary. I mean, this add razor pages. So cascading authentication state, HTTP client context accessor, these all necessary. Addition to that, this is the one. Okay, for to avoid the infinite loop, this is a fix. Thank you.